Welcome back to the Radio Journal podcast. Hi, I'm Emma, and today you are officially in our English classroom. Even if you're lying in bed and scrolling your phone like a world champion, you're in class. We appreciate the effort.
And I'm your other teacher friend, Michael, the one who always forgets his homework. Do not follow my example. But follow my personality. It's amazing.
This episode feels exciting. Like, wow, you made it this far. Imagine how many new words you've learned and how much more confident you sound now. That's growth. That's progress.
And progress is the most beautiful thing in life, because every small improvement brings you closer to the future version of yourself who is totally fluent. That version of you already exists. You're just walking toward them step by step.
Okay, ready. We're going to learn English that actually feels alive, real reactions, real conversation energy, so you can sound natural anywhere. A cafe, office, classroom, airport, or on a date.
Lol, Emma, calm down. Let's start with everyday expressions native speakers use constantly. For example, guess what? Say it like you're hiding a secret. Try it now. Yes, you listening, say it out loud. Guess what?
Good, and here's another one. You know what? We use it when we're about to say something important or change the topic. Like, you know what? I think our listeners are becoming super fluent, and I'm 100% proud.
Wanna try a fun reaction? No way. It means I'm surprised. Seriously. Example, Emma drinks coffee with no sugar. You. No way.
Don't judge me, okay? Next one, that's so crazy. We say it when something is shocking but funny.
All these short lines make your speaking lively. You don't want to sound like a textbook. You want to sound like a human.
Speaking of human, when someone asks, how's it going? You can reply, pretty good, how about you? Or, not too bad. Trust me, I'm fine, thank you, is not used in the real world.
English is like music. Rhythm and energy matter more than perfect grammar.
Try repeating these naturally. Exactly. Seriously, it sounds good. Let me think.
Look at you, speaking like a native already. You're not learning English. You're becoming someone new.
Imagine this. You walk confidently into a job interview. You speak clearly. The interviewer listens carefully. You smile. Suddenly, your life changes. Because of English. Because you practiced. Because you showed up today.
Every time you press play on our podcast, you are building a future you'll be proud of. And we are cheering for you, always.
Let's learn some polite expressions for real-life kindness. Try these. Could you repeat that? I appreciate it. I'd love to. And a beautiful one. Have a great day. Say it with a smile. It makes someone's entire mood better. And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying. Trying means you're improving. Improving means you're winning.
And winners keep learning, one sentence at a time.
We're just getting warmed up. Stay with us because believe me, the next part gets even more fun and powerful. All right, everyone, settle back into your seats. If you are listening while walking outside, imagine you just sat at the front desk in our classroom. You get a gold star today for excellent attendance.
And a special award if you are listening while doing house chores. Nothing builds discipline like washing dishes while studying English. You are basically a superhero in pajamas.
Earlier, we explored some natural expressions. Let us continue speaking like real human beings, not like a textbook that suddenly learned to talk. We want language that feels alive.
For example, when someone tells you something impressive, you can reply, "That is awesome," or "That sounds great." These are friendly, confident reactions.
And here is a little trick. When you need time to think, do not panic. Just say slowly, "Let me think for a moment." Native speakers say it all the time. It keeps the conversation smooth and relaxed.
English is not only language, it is social confidence. It is expression. It is timing. It is knowing how to build small bridges between people with your words.
Imagine yourself asking for help politely at a store. "Excuse me, could you help me find this item?" You sound confident, you sound friendly, you sound ready for the world.
And when you receive help, do not forget small human magic, appreciation. You can say, "I really appreciate it." People remember kindness. Your English can make someone feel valued.
Now let us practice a tiny dialogue. Do not worry if people around you look confused. They will secretly admire your dedication. You repeat after us. "How is it going?" "Pretty good. How about you?" "Sounds good to me." "Seriously?" "Exactly." "Great, you just upgraded your reaction game."
Let us switch scenes. Picture this. You are at a coffee shop. You smile at the barista and you say, "Hi, could I get a cappuccino, please?" That one extra word, please, transforms the sentence. It turns a request into respect, into warmth.
The barrister responds, "Sure, anything else?" And you say confidently, "No, that is all. Thank you." See how smooth that is? No stress, no pressure, just easy communication.
You do not need to sound perfect. You only need to sound like you are trying, and the world respects that more than perfection.
Now, I want to share something important. Your English journey will sometimes feel slow. You will forget words. You will make strange sentences. You will feel stuck. But guess what? Every fluent person has been exactly where you are. Fluency is a process, not a miracle.
The key is simple. Keep showing up, keep speaking, and keep listening. Keep believing in the person you are becoming.
Right now, your brain is building new connections. Your ears are learning musical patterns of English. You are improving more than you can see. Trust that progress. It is real. Every time you pronounce a word more naturally, you step 1 centimeter closer to fluency. Thousands of centimeters, and you are unstoppable.
And I promise you this, one day someone will compliment your English. They will say you sound great, and you will smile because you earned that moment.
We are not finished yet. Take a breath, drink some water if you can, because the next segment, that is where your confidence will rise even more. All right, everyone, we have reached the final part of our lesson today. And I want you to take a deep breath because you've learned a lot already. You listened, you repeated, and you stayed focused. That is what successful English learners do. They keep showing up.
Exactly. Many people say English is too hard and then they stop. But you didn't stop. You are still here with us. And that makes you different. That makes you strong.
You know, learning English fluently can truly change your everyday life. Imagine confidently speaking at the airport, chatting with new friends online, working in international companies, and even traveling the world without fear. Fluency opens doors everywhere you go.
And we are right beside you on that journey. You are building your skills one episode at a time. Today, you practiced listening, sentence structure, and real-life examples. And guess what? You understood them. Yes, you did.
Speaking of real life, let us practice a quick conversation together. I will say a sentence, and you repeat after me when I pause. It is like we are talking to each other in class. Ready?
First one. Can you help me, please?
Nice, and next. I would like a coffee.
One more. Could you say that again? Excellent. These sentences are small, but they are powerful when you use them every day.
Learning English is like building a strong house. Every new word, every new sentence, it becomes a brick. And brick by brick, your English house becomes bigger and stronger.
And one day you will look back and say, I can speak English. I did it. That day is coming, I promise.
Before we finish, I have something fun. A small challenge, a quiz. You can write your answers in the comments if you're listening on YouTube. We will check how many you get correct.
All right, here are your quiz questions. What did Emma order at the cafe today?
Which sentence did we practice to ask for repetition?
Name one thing that English fluency can help you achieve.
Fill in the blank. I am dash. A book.
True or false, you should stop learning if English feels difficult.
Take your time and answer below. It does not matter if you get them all correct. What matters is that you try. That is how learning works.
And remember, every English speaker started as a beginner. Even us, you are already on the road to success. Keep going with us, one episode at a time.
Thank you for being here with us today. You are building your dream future, and we are honored to be part of that journey.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking confidently.
This is the Radio Journal podcast, signing off for today.